G87, it's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. Hope everybody's having a blessed night. Yes, sir. You already see what we got going on in today's video. Your boy bending in the M2 ski. Now, let me stop. I just left the gym. Bro, I feel like every time I record one of these videos, I'm always leaving the gym. That's good. What I told y'all in my last video, make sure y'all boys get in that gym, boy. 2026, man. If your fat ass ain't in that gym, you fucking around. But now we here with it. It's a beautiful night, actually. Thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all boys a little POV drive, a little, feel me? A little spirited driving. Why not, right? I appreciate the love and support I've been getting on all my videos. For real. Y'all dead been showing mad love and support. I appreciate it. I've been consistent. I've been telling y'all, I've been dropping a video every other day, if not every day. You see what I'm saying? Bro, I'm told you, road to 1K subscribers, man. We gonna make it happen, man. Day by day, man. Slowly, we here. But yeah. Ooh, shit. Got the car in M2 mode for y'all boys. Why is he braking? Bro, we dead don't have to brake on this turn. Bro, I keep telling y'all boys, if y'all know how to steer, there ain't no need for all this braking bullshit. And that's real talk. But I told you, driver's mod is a real thing, man. Why the fuck does that G up there? Nah, hold on. I think we got some wiring issues, brother. That boy got his reverse lights wired to his taillights and shit. GG's, chat. GG's. I'm fucking dead, boy. I don't know if y'all can see it from up here, but GG's. Fuck, man. I hate when traffic moving like bullshit. Everybody gotta get over. Nobody know how to merge. Everybody start braking. This nigga don't want to go left, right. Look at this nigga. He just he just put both his shits on. Nigga put the left signal, right signal. He whooping. We here, man. We okay. Porsche pulled up next to me getting a little rowdy, boy. Hold on. He heard me talking shit about him, that's why. He heard me talking about his signal choices. When with you, I can go rah-rah. And let me get out of this fucking behind these niggas, man. Woo! Open the lane, brothers. Open the lane. Bro, don't get in front of my lane moving slow, brother. Why I'm to you? Yeah, man. Don't worry. We're going to get some more sound going on in this M2. What is this? Bensky? Bensky? Bensky! Oh. Look, he braking on the turn. No, brother. No, brother. Let me pass here. Let me teach you how to take turns, brother. Maybe I should start a driving school. Chef driving school. Teach y'all boys how to really take turns, because y'all fake out here bullshit, not gonna lie. Look at this nigga. He trying to... Oh my god. We're doomed. I'm about to open a driving school, chat, because we're fucking doomed. Look at this nigga. He all up in both lanes. We're with you and they go rah-rah. My fault. I might be a little hyper tonight. Your boy Chef off the pre-workouts. You know how that go. Oh, the G getting off the highway. Sheesh. Yo, and I meant to ask y'all boys, let me know in the comments who y'all want me to work with. I personally feel like if y'all got my social media, y'all got my social medias, man. My Instagram, my YouTube, all that shit, man. Y'all can hit me up on anything. Feel me? We could work, man. Like I said, I ain't no famous nigga. So anybody can hit me up if y'all want to, you know what I'm saying, create some content, take some pictures, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit me up. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments who you want me to work with. Shit like that, man. We here. Feel me? We all trying to eat off this shit. You see what I'm saying? When I'm with you, that shit go rah rah. Bro, why is he slowing down, bro? New York is a simulation, bro. This shit cannot be real, muddy. This shit cannot be real, muddy. When I'm with you, this shit go rah rah. Surprised no action going on. What time is it? 11 p. Look at this nigga. Oh, brother, we're doomed, chat. Oh, he's braking, turning lanes. He's just trying to figure it out. When I'm with you, that shit go rah rah. Jesus, these lanes is rough, boy. When I'm with you, that shit go rah rah. Jesus Christ, we're doomed, chat. We're doomed, chat. Woo! They wildin', man. They wildin'. Nobody knows how to drive. They try to squeeze me. Do your homework on squeeze M2 ski. When I'm with you, that shit go nah nah. When I'm with you, that shit go nah. GG's. Highway dead tonight, man. That is not good at all. Highway is fucking dead. No action, no nothing. Is it too early, chat? Or what? I don't know, man. Might be too early to come outside, chat. I feel like this Ben's trying to keep up, but maybe he's not. I'm joking. When I'm with you, that shit go nah, nah. Yo, my fault, man. That bar's stuck in my head. This nigga's in both lanes? Yeah, he is in both lanes. He can't see his lane. Good thing we get through that. Going on up here, nothing. Let's see if the Benz want to play. When I'm with you, that shit go down. This nigga is riding my ass. Leave that nigga in 2 moves. Leave that nigga in 2 moves. I'm out of here. He trying it too.